Respected guests, honored dignitaries, teachers, non-teaching staff, and my dear children. A happy Republic Day to all of you. Today, we have gathered here to celebrate 26th January, the proud Republic Day of India. आजचा हा दिवस आपल्या भारताचे संविधान, लोकशाही आणि राष्ट्रीय मूल्य यांची आठवण करून देणारा आहे. 26 जानेवारी 1950 या दिवशी भारत संविधान लागू झालेले आहे आणि आपला संपूर्ण देश प्रजासत्ताक बनला. डॉक्टर B.R. Ambedkar had rightly said, the Constitution is not only a document, it is a way of life. Is the foundation of us not throw garbage in public places. कचरा इथे तिथे टाकू नका. Wash hands regularly. हात नियमितपणे धुवा. Avoid plastic. प्लास्टिकचा वापर कमी करा. महात्मा गांधीजी had said, cleanliness is next to godliness. महात्मा गांधीजी म्हणतात, स्वच्छता हीच खरी सेवा आहे. Dear children, do not spit in public places. Use toilets properly and keep your classroom and school clean. Small habits create a big nation. लहान सवयी मोठे बदल घडवतात. As the headmistress of Centurion High School, I am proud to say that our school always works to build disciplined, clean and responsible citizens. आपण जर शाळा स्वच्छ ठेवली तर समाज आणि देशही स्वच्छ राहील. Student is the pride of nation. To be responsible, the instructions which were given from UMC, we have to all take the vote for keeping our nation and each and every surrounding clean. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you.
थँक्यू. धन्यवाद मॅडम. आम्हाला